Hello, my name is Jong. I'm VP at Avantium. Avantium is a company who is developing a new kind of bottle, PEF. We have run a flagship project in Delfzijl, the Netherlands. We are now commissioning and starting up the plant. We have used over 200 million of total funds to build this plant, and it was built partly by funding from CBE JU, but also from equities and debt from several different parties. We are producing the monomer FDCA, what is a diacid, what can be used in all kinds of applications, among others polyester, like the earlier mentioned bottle PEF, what has improved barrier properties and is fully recyclable. The flagship has more than 70 people of direct personnel involved, so that's very good for the local environment. We are located in the northern part of the Netherlands, what is an earthquake area because of gas exploration, and by really changing this now to bio-based chemistry, I mean, we give a new outlook for this area, what is very important. We have many different stakeholders on board, from feedstock suppliers such as Stereos, but also many brand owners are looking forward to bring our products on the market, including companies like LVMH and Carlsberg, also part of the project. So maybe a little bit more on the bottle. It's a fully bio-based bottle, what has a much better LCA footprint compared to the fossil-based material. But in addition, it also has much better technical properties. It has a strongly improved barrier properties, what means that CO2 is kept better inside the bottle and the oxygen is better kept outside the bottle, so you can extend shelf life or you can do light weighting, and in both cases you improve further the environmental footprint of the material, but also it improves the business case for the end users. Next step in this endeavor is really to scale up the technology. I mean, our flagship plant is relatively small, 5 kiloton per annum, and the next step will be going to 100 kiloton scale, what really will reduce the cost price substantially, and therefore reach new markets and really bring this material on the table for all European citizens.